In today's world, it's easier than ever to make money online. There are many websites that allow you to work from home and earn a good income. In this video, we will discuss 9 of the laziest websites to make money online, each with the potential to earn you over $500 per day. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Website 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks, a widely acclaimed platform, stands as a go-to website for individuals seeking rewards through effortless tasks. By completing tasks like surveys, watching videos, and online shopping, users accumulate points that can be later exchanged for cash or gift cards. The platform's versatility and user-friendly interface make it an appealing choice for those looking to monetize their free time. Swagbucks transforms routine activities into rewarding experiences, creating a seamless way to earn while engaging in daily online tasks. Website 2. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie takes the spotlight as another prominent platform in the realm of online surveys. Renowned for its simplicity and transparency, Survey Junkie compensates users for sharing their opinions through surveys. With the potential to earn up to $50 per survey and additional bonuses for survey frequency, the platform provides a lucrative avenue for individuals eager to contribute their insights. Survey Junkie's commitment to fair compensation and user satisfaction positions it as a trusted option for those looking to earn through survey participation. Website 3. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars emerges as a multifaceted platform that offers monetary rewards for diverse online activities. From taking surveys and watching videos to online shopping, users can accumulate earnings with the potential to earn up to $50 per day. The platform's appeal extends further with bonuses for referring friends, fostering a sense of community and shared benefit. Inbox Dollars stands out as a comprehensive platform, catering to users seeking various ways to monetize their online engagement, making it a valuable addition to the landscape of reward-based websites. Website 4. Upwork. Upwork stands as a premier platform connecting freelancers with a diverse array of projects. Whether you specialize in writing, web design, graphic design, or other skills, Upwork provides a marketplace where freelancers can showcase their expertise. With the flexibility to set your own rates and work remotely, Upwork empowers freelancers to take control of their careers. The platform's expansive project listings and transparent communication tools make it a go-to destination for those seeking diverse freelance opportunities. Website 5. Fiverr. Fiverr introduces a unique model where freelancers can offer their services starting at $5. This platform spans various categories, including writing, editing, and graphic design. Freelancers have the flexibility to work from home and set their own hours, providing a tailored experience for both service providers and clients. Fiverr's streamlined platform and accessible pricing structure make it an attractive choice for freelancers looking to showcase their skills and for businesses seeking affordable and quality services. Website 6. People Per Hour. People Per Hour emerges as a dynamic freelance platform catering to a range of skills, from writing to web design and programming. Freelancers on People Per Hour can set their own rates and work remotely, offering flexibility and autonomy. The platform's project diversity and emphasis on quality create an environment where freelancers can thrive. People Per Hour's commitment to connecting skilled professionals with businesses seeking top-notch talent positions. It has a valuable resource in the freelance landscape, providing opportunities for both freelancers and clients to collaborate seamlessly. Website 7. Freelancer. Freelancer, a well-established platform, opens doors to diverse freelance opportunities spanning writing, web design, marketing, and more. With the ability to set your own rates and work remotely, Freelancer provides a flexible environment for freelancers to showcase their skills. The platform's extensive project categories and global reach create a vibrant marketplace where freelancers can connect with clients in need of their expertise. Freelancers' user-friendly interface and commitment to empowering freelancers make it a valuable resource for those seeking varied and dynamic freelance projects. Website 8. Toptal. Toptal stands as a premium platform focusing on high-quality freelance work in specialized fields such as software development, engineering, and finance. Freelancers on Toptal can set their own rates, offering a platform where top-tier professionals can connect with clients seeking elite talent. The platform's rigorous screening process ensures that only the best freelancers are accepted, creating a curated marketplace for those looking for top-notch freelance expertise. Toptal's commitment to excellence positions it as a go-to platform for clients and freelancers alike, fostering a space for impactful collaborations. Website 9. Guru. Guru emerges as a versatile platform catering to a range of freelance skills, from writing and marketing to IT support. Freelancers on Guru have the flexibility to set their own rates and work remotely, creating an environment that promotes autonomy and creativity. The platform's user-friendly interface and project diversity make it a valuable resource for freelancers seeking opportunities across various domains. Guru's commitment to providing a seamless experience for both freelancers and clients positions it as a reliable platform in the freelance landscape, offering a space where skills meet opportunities. As we wrap up our exploration into the laziest yet most lucrative ways to make money online, we hope you've discovered valuable insights for your work-from-home journey. If any of these platforms caught your interest, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up. Share this video with friends or anyone looking to boost their income from the comfort of their home, and of course, subscribe to stay updated on more opportunities like these. Which lazy method are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this quest for online success. Until next time, happy earning, like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing insights.